Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Dogecoin update today. And I haven't talked about Doge, so let's do that. And here it is. Now we've seen this rally, and the rally is beautiful. It's a nice, good rally, amazing rally to the upside. But compared to other meme coins, I think Doge still has a lot to do. It still have a lot to do. If you take Pepe, it has broken the all-time high couple of times. To be honest with you, it has been better than Doge at this point, no doubt about that. Pepe has been the best meme coin by far. Bunk is the second one, and Bunk also has gone back to the all-time high. Now what's left for many of us old school investors of meme is to see Dogecoin and to see SHIB to go back to the all-time high. That's what we want to see. Now if they do go back to the all-time high, then I will actually take this Q4 very seriously. And I'm surprised that in Q4 we're still not looking at Dogecoin and SHIB to their all-time glorious highs. By this point of time, by the way Bitcoin is doing all this stuff, I think it should be more possible to see Dogecoin and SHIB go back to the all-time high. Even Bitcoin did it, okay? I'm surprised altcoins are not doing it. Just a little bit of announcement. I do have a good news and a bad news. I will start off with the bad news. From January 2025, I'll be charging 20 USDT for the private. If you don't know what the private is, check the top right of the video to know what I do in the private. The entry for December will be closed on 31 November. Now you have to message me, and to do that, just head down to the description of the video, click on the Discord, and click on announcement, click my name, and message me. If for some reason the Discord is not working, just comment Discord and I'll generate a new link just for you. Thank you. Let's get back into the video. But according to what I've seen on the internet, 2025 might actually be the year of altcoins. Now I want to tell you this, we're just getting started with the alt season. Whether it's Doge or any other amazing coin out there like Matic, Polkadot, Chainlink, whatever, these guys also have to go back to their all-time high. So we have plenty of time. 10 months. 10 months is a lot. And in just a couple of weeks, heck, I would even say even in December, you could actually see Doge making the move back to the all-time high. It could do that. Then what are you going to do for the rest 9 months? Okay, we have a lot of time. We still have a lot of time to see the move. But if 10 months is done, because a lot of estimation is that until next year, September, the bull run is going to continue. And until next year, if you do not see these things performing back to their all-time high, then we have a very serious issue. On the 4-hour time frame, well, Dogecoin is moving sideways, and it continues to create a pennant. So I'm going to take this little bit of a drop down trend line, and then I'm going to drop another trend line just like that, and it does look like pennant is being created. Now pennants are continuation pattern, and they're bullish, and if you break above the pennant, I'm just gonna turn the regular scale here, and I might add that this is gonna be the top to the bottom, and it's a bull flag, right? It's almost like a bull flag called a bull pennant, and this is going to be another technical target up to $0.62. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.